Video, I will go over how to use special factoring formulas. There are a total of 5 different types of formulas: difference of squares, perfect squares in the negative, difference of cubes, and sum of cubes. The formula for differences of squares is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b squared times a plus b squared. An example of differences of squares is 16x squared minus 81. You then factor it to equal 4x squared minus 9 squared. Then you apply the formula, which equals 4x minus 9 times 4x plus 9. The perfect square formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b squared. An example of a perfect square equation is x squared plus 8x plus 16. You then apply those numbers to the formula, which ends up equaling x squared plus 2x times 4 plus 4 squared. You then simplify that to get the answer x plus 4 squared. The formula for a perfect negative square is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. An equation for a perfect square with a negative is x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then you apply the equation to the formula, which equals x squared plus 2x times 3 plus 3 squared. You then simplify to equal x minus 3 squared. The formula for difference of cubes is a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. An equation for difference of cubes is 27x cubed minus 1. When you factor the equation out, it equals 3x cubed minus 1 cubed. You then apply this to the formula to equal 3x minus 1 times 3x squared plus 3x times 1 plus 1 squared. You then simplify it to equal 3x minus 1 times 9x squared plus 3x plus 1, which is your answer. Sum of cubes formula is a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a cubed minus ab plus b cubed. An equation when you use sum of cubes is 8x cubed plus 125. You then factor the equation to equal 2x cubed plus 5 cubed. Then you apply it to the formula to equal 2x plus 5 times 2x squared minus 2x times 5 plus 5 squared. You then simplify to get the answer 2x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 5 squared. The video for my class ends here. If you're using this for another purpose, continue on to the quiz. You have 5 minutes to do this quiz, starting when the music starts. Answers are after the quiz.
had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were